Hello, dear learners. How are you? I think you are doing well at your home. I am Prabal Bhumik, your English teacher. Like to welcome you to the online class of Khuyasar High School, and I am going to start a class on English first paper for the students of class 9 and class 10. Let's start. Dear learners, at first look at the picture below and think about it. Here's the picture. Actually, it is a very familiar picture for us. Now answer the following questions. There are two questions for you. Number one is, what can you see in the picture? And number two is, why was it built? I think you have already thought about the answers of these questions. Yes, obviously you are right. The answer of the first one is, in the picture we can see a Shahid Minar. And I hope the answer of the second one is also correct from you. The answer of the second one is, it was built to pay homage to the martyrs of the language movement. In exchange of their lives, we achieved Bangla as our mother tongue, and 21st February is now celebrated as the International Mother Language Day. Yes, you are very much right, my dear students. Our today's topic is International Mother Language Day. That is Unit 3, Lesson 3 from your EFT. These are the learning outcomes. After we have started this lesson, we will able to infer meaning from the context, narrate different information about language movement, and write about International Mother Language Day. Word meaning. We will learn the meaning of some new words in this section. The first word is tribute. There is a picture for you. I think you can easily imagine what can be the meaning of the word tribute following this picture. Yes, the meaning of tribute is an act to show respect or admiration. There is a sentence for you better understanding. The video is the tribute to the musicals of the 40s. The next word is outlaw. Here is also a picture. The meaning of the word outlaw is to ban. Here is a sentence, the government outlawed smoking. I think you can understand the meaning of the word. The next one is defy. Here is a picture. I think you can have some idea about the meaning of the defy from this picture. Actually, defy means to refuse to obey. They defied the law. That is, they refused to obey the law. That is defy. And the last word is momentum. Momentum. What is momentum? Momentum is inspiration. A great thing for us to be successful in our life. Inspiration. It gathered momentum day by day. Okay, now we will read the text loudly, and I like to ask you to read the text loudly with me. 21st February is a memorable day in our national history. We observe the day every year as International Mother Language Day. The day is our national holiday. On this day, we pay tribute to the martyrs who laid down their lives to establish Bangla as a state language in undivided Pakistan in 1952. It is known as the language movement. The seed of the language movement was shown on 21st March 1948 when Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the then Governor General of Pakistan, at a public meeting in Dhaka declared that Urdu would be the only state language of Pakistan. The declaration raised a storm of protest in the eastern part of the country. The protest continued non-stop, gathering momentum day by day. It turned into a movement and reached its climax in 1952. The government outlawed all sorts of public meetings and rallies to stop it. The students of Dhaka University defied the law and they brought out a peaceful protest procession on 21st February 1952. When the procession reached near Dhaka Medical College, the police opened fire on the students, killing Salam, Rafiq, Barakat, Shafir and Jabbar. As a result, there were mass protests all over the country and the government had to declare Bengali too as a state language. This kindled the spark of independence movement of Bangladesh. I think you can understand the text. Now we will see at a glance the language movement of Bangladesh. Declaration of M.A. Jinnah, 21st March 1948, raised a storm of protest against the declaration of Muhammad Ali Jinnah. The protest continued, gathering momentum. Then police opened fire on a peaceful procession, killed Salam, Barakat, Rafiq, Jabbar, and ultimately Bengali too became a state language of then East Pakistan, that is now Bangladesh. Now pair work. There is a chart for you. There are two columns. The first column is about time and in the second column you have to put what happened at that time. The times are 1947, 1948 and 1952. I like to ask you to complete the chart in pair within 2 minutes. Okay, now homework for you. Write a paragraph on International Mother Language Day. I like to ask you to write down your homework at your notebook. That's all for today. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you very much.